Hey there, video creators and marketing mavens. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video magic with a tool that's set to revolutionize your content game. InVideo AI. Imagine creating stunning, professional-looking videos in just minutes without any prior editing experience. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, InVideo makes that dream a reality. Whether you're a small business owner, content creator, or marketing professional, InVideo can help you craft captivating videos that elevate your brand and captivate your audience. In this video, we're going to uncover what InVideo is all about, explore its amazing features, and break down its pricing. So, stick around, and let's get started. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more info on InVideo AI. And hey, if you love this content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome insights. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is InVideo AI? InVideo AI revolutionizes video creation for creators and marketers alike by leveraging advanced AI technology to transform simple text prompts into polished, professional videos. This innovative platform automates every aspect of the production process, from generating compelling scripts and selecting appropriate visuals to seamlessly integrating subtitles, voiceovers, and music, all controlled through intuitive text-based commands. One of its most impressive capabilities is its ability to create and translate videos in over 50 languages, making it a versatile tool for global outreach and localization strategies. A standout feature of InVideo AI is its AI voice cloning technology, which not only personalizes voiceovers to match the desired tone and style, but also drastically reduces the time and effort traditionally required for recording audio content. Looking ahead, InVideo AI plans to introduce real-time collaborative editing features, facilitating smoother workflows and enhancing teamwork efficiency on video projects. By offering access to a vast library of more than 16 million stock media assets, InVideo AI ensures that creators have abundant resources at their fingertips, making high-quality video production both accessible and cost-effective on a large scale. Now that we've covered what InVideo AI is, let's dive into its key features. Feature number 1. AI video generation. InVideo distinguishes itself with its remarkable AI-powered video generation capability, empowering users, regardless of their level of video editing expertise, to effortlessly produce polished, professional-grade videos in mere minutes. At the core of its innovation is an advanced AI technology that automates every essential aspect of the video creation journey. This includes intelligently selecting appropriate visuals, transitions, and effects that perfectly complement the content being developed. The AI streamlines the entire process, starting from generating scripts to seamlessly integrating video clips, text overlays, background music, and transitions. All you need to do is provide a topic or detailed instructions, and InVideo's AI takes charge, meticulously handling the technical intricacies while ensuring creative flexibility. This approach not only simplifies the video creation process but also enhances efficiency, allowing creators to focus more on refining their content and less on the complexities of video editing. Feature number 2. AI Slideshow Maker. InVideo's Slideshow Maker is designed to empower users in effortlessly creating captivating and dynamic slideshow videos. Using advanced AI capabilities, this innovative tool not only generates AI-powered voiceovers from provided scripts, but also intelligently selects the most suitable footage and enhances slides with text overlays and background music based on your input. While sharing similarities with the AI video generator, its focus is tailored specifically for crafting engaging and visually appealing slideshows. Whether you prefer to upload your own photos or leverage InVideo's vast repository featuring over 16 million stock media assets, the possibilities are expansive. This versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, from personal projects to professional endeavors. It excels in creating memorable photo slideshows, building impressive portfolios, developing compelling promotional materials, explaining products with clarity, delivering impactful presentations, showcasing creative work to clients, and much more. Feature number 3. AI Script Generator. InVideo AI's Script Generator is a versatile tool designed to aid in the creation of impactful video content across various media formats. This feature simplifies the scripting process by allowing users to input their ideas, outlines, or prompts, transforming them into refined scripts suitable for videos, speeches, presentations, and more. Utilizing advanced AI technology, InVideo AI ensures that scripts are not only well-crafted but also tailored to engage and resonate with audiences. The script generator operates through a systematic process. Users begin by inputting their content ideas, which the tool analyzes closely to understand key messages and intents. It then generates recommendations to enhance clarity, engagement, and overall impact of the script. This functionality is particularly beneficial for content creators looking to convert concepts into compelling video narratives efficiently. Moreover, InVideo AI's Script Generator adapts scripts for different platforms, optimizing them to suit the unique styles and preferences of platforms like YouTube, social media, or professional presentations. This versatility enables users to create content that is not only visually appealing but also strategically aligned with specific audience expectations across various channels. In essence, InVideo AI's script generator empowers users, from busy business owners to dedicated content creators, by streamlining the scriptwriting process. By leveraging AI capabilities, it enhances productivity, ensuring that video projects are not only produced faster but also maintain high quality and relevance to their intended audience. Feature number 4. AI Voice Generator. InVideo's AI voiceover generator offers creators the ability to elevate their videos with authentic and diverse male and female narrations, completely free of charge. By leveraging this tool, users can enhance the richness and credibility of their content effortlessly. To generate an AI voiceover using InVideo, start by selecting your preferred workflow for video creation. Once your script is entered, you have the option to choose the gender and accent that best suits your video's narrative. After customization, utilize InVideo's MP4 to MP3 converter to conveniently download your voiceover as an MP3 file, ready to integrate seamlessly into your project. This tool is particularly beneficial for content creators looking to incorporate realistic voiceovers into their videos, enhancing engagement and professionalism. It also serves as a valuable asset for marketers aiming to deliver compelling presentations or promotional materials with impactful narration. Feature number 5. AI Talking Avatar. InVideo's AI Talking Avatars revolutionize video creation, bringing the power of lifelike human presenters to your fingertips with just a few taps on your smartphone. Available on both the App Store and Google Play, this innovative tool requires zero video production skills, making it accessible for anyone looking to spice up their content. Imagine this. You pick from a lineup of preset AI avatars or craft your very own by uploading a photo. Next, choose a voice that suits your style, whether it's from a selection of pre-recorded options or your own dulcet tones. Then, simply feed your script into the avatar, sit back, and watch as your words come to life through captivating digital personalities. For personal use, the possibilities are as endless as they are delightful. Send personalized greetings that truly stand out, make announcements that resonate uniquely, or craft content that captivates with the charm of a virtual presenter. But the real magic happens in business applications. Picture this. Engage your audience like never before in content creation across videos, podcasts, or live streams. In real estate, whisk potential buyers through immersive virtual tours, showcasing properties with the intimacy of an in-person visit. Elevate hospitality by answering guest queries seamlessly, exceeding expectations with every interaction. And in retail, bring products to life with tailored descriptions and expert advice, transforming the shopping experience into a personalized journey towards purchase. Feature number 6. Video Editing Studio. InVideo offers a comprehensive suite of video creation tools designed to empower users to produce professional quality videos effortlessly. Key features include a drag-and-drop video editor with an intuitive interface, enabling seamless trimming, cropping, transitions, text overlays, stickers, and voiceover capabilities. This versatility ensures that videos created are polished and visually engaging, catering to diverse needs and preferences. As a cloud-based platform, InVideo is accessible to businesses, agencies, content teams, and freelancers alike, facilitating the creation of stunning videos tailored for any platform or purpose. It boasts a vast library of customizable templates and over 1 million stock media assets, including video clips, images, and graphics. Animation tools further enhance video appeal, allowing users to add dynamic elements that bring their content to life. The platform supports real-time previews and offers an open API for advanced customization, enabling users to tailor videos precisely to their specifications. With collaborative features that streamline workflows across teams, InVideo stands out as a unified solution for video creation, combining ease of use with powerful editing capabilities to meet the demands of modern digital content creation. InVideo AI provides a range of pricing plans tailored to meet diverse video creation needs, ensuring accessibility for both beginners and professionals. Their offerings include free and paid plans, each designed with specific features and benefits. The free plan allows users to create AI-generated videos up to 10 minutes per week, with 10 gigabytes of storage. Users can export up to 4 videos weekly, albeit with the InVideo logo. Access to a vast library of over 2.5 million standard media files enriches content creation possibilities. Moving to the Plus plan, priced at $25 per month, users benefit from extended AI video generation time, up to 50 minutes per month, and increased access to royalty-free media, starting from 80 assets per month. This plan offers substantial storage starting from 100 gigabytes and allows unlimited video exports, with scalability options available at additional costs. For more demanding video production needs, the Max plan begins at $60 per month. It provides even more extensive AI generation time, starting from 200 minutes per month, and a larger pool of royalty-free iStock media starting from 320 assets monthly. Storage capacity expands from 400 gigabytes onwards, with similar unlimited export capabilities and scalable resources for increased usage. InVideo AI also offers a 20% discount on all plans for users opting for annual billing, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term users seeking continuous video creation support. Each plan is crafted to streamline the video editing experience, enhancing efficiency and creative output through intuitive tools and comprehensive resources. And there you have it, InVideo AI, your ultimate companion in transforming ideas into captivating videos effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned content creator, a burgeoning entrepreneur, or a marketing pro, InVideo AI offers the tools to elevate your storytelling and engage your audience like never before. Ready to dive into the world of seamless video creation? Click the link in the description below to explore InVideo AI and unleash your creativity today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on the latest in video technology and digital creativity. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace out.